See, discussing about the topic is electric power. Electric power. The first year we can learn about in a power. See, what is the statement? The rate of doing of work is called as the power. Now, before what is there? The electric. Now, the electric power is nothing but the the rate of heat produced. So, what is the rate of heat produced in a conductor? In a conductor. In a conductor is called electric power. Is called electric power. We have know the three equation for the heat produced. See the what is the heat producing? The Q is equal to I square into R into T. See, this is the first equation. And the second one, what is the heat producing? The Q is equal to V by R into T. V by R into T. See, there is the V square by R into T. And the last one is the heat. The Q is equal to V into I into T. This is the three equations are there. Now, based on this heat equations, we can develop the power of a equation. Now, what is the electric power? Is the rate of heat produced. The first, the power is P is equal to heat produced for time, because of rate is nothing but time. Then we can write here the value. The Q is equal to how much is the first one? Q square R into T by T. Then the T gets cancelled. The power is equal to I square into R. See, this is the electric power for the first equation. The next, we can write the second. The power is equal to what is the heat for time. The heat produced for unit time. See, heat, what is the area? The V square by R into T by the time. Again, the time gets cancelled. Then the power is equal to V square by R. See, this is the second for the electric power. Now, the third one. See, what is the third one? See, the power is equal to heat produced for time. The heat, the third one is V into I into T by T. Then the T gets cancelled. The power is equal to V into I, potential difference into current. These three equations are electric power. Then we can write the common expression. The power is equal to, what we can do the first one? This is directly proportional to square of the time and also resistance, and is equal to the V square by R is direct, here the inversely proportional resistance, and here directly proportional is the potential difference. These three equations is called as the electric power. See, now the discussing about the application of a electric power. Application of a electric power. The first one, when two resistance R1 and R2 are in series. What is that? The two resistors are connected in series. The ratio produced, the ratio of heat produced, the ratio of heat produced resistance is produced resistance. See, here is consider the two resistance. This is the first one and this will be the second one, R1 and R2. The carrying of the current is I. In series combination, there is no current of the variation. The current will be same, but what will the potential difference will be different. That means we know that the heat is the heat amount of heat, the Q is equal to, what is the formula there? I square into R into T. I square R into T. Here the heat is directly proportional to the resistance. It is directly proportional to resistance. Then taking the ratio, Q1 by Q2 is equal to R1 by R2. The second application, when two resistance when two resistance R1 and R2 are in parallel. See here, we are connected by in a series. Now here we can connected by in a parallel. The ratio of then ratio of heat produced resistance. Now here, what is the two resistance? This is the first one, and it will be the second one. R1 and R2 are connected through a battery of EMF E. Now here, in this one, the current will be variation. The first resistance, the passing of the current is I1. Here is the R2, but the potential difference will be same. Then the heat producing, the Q is equal to V square by R into T. That means the heat is inversely proportional to the resistance. Taking the ratio Q1 by Q2 is equal to R2 by R1. See, this is the ratio of the heat resistance when it is connected in a parallel combination. Now, see the third one. The third application. If heater coil is used to boil. What is it? The heater coil, they use it to the boil the water of the mass. The water of the mass M in time T. What is taken by the T? See here, consider this is a water bath. This is considered a water bath. In this one, what is introducing by there? This is the heater coil. Now it taken by the water. Now water having the specific resistance. The water having the specific resistance. Now this amount of heat, the work done by the amount of heat is equal to joule into heat. Here the work is equal to what is taken by the I square R into T. Because of the work done is nothing but it form of in a energy. The which of energy then? Heat energy. That means the heat energy, what we can, the I square R into T is equal to joule into heat. But we know the specific heat capacity, that is the SW is equal to the specific heat of the water is equal to amount of heat, that is a dQ by M into dt. This is the time, this is the temperature. Now it's taken by the T also taken. Now you can know the amount of heat is equal to SW M into dt is equal to dQ. Now can substitute the I square R into T is equal to joule into specific heat of water into mass into time, temperature. This is nothing but to temperature. So this is the formula of a, what is taken by the, if the heater coil they use it the boil to the water, this mass is M in time. This is I square into R into T is equal to SW mass into dt. Now this dt is nothing but temperature. This T is nothing but to time. This is the three main applications of a electric power. See, next we're discussing about the electrical energy. See, this electrical energy is measured in a kilowatt hour. See, 1 kilowatt hour is defined as the electrical energy consumed at the rate of 1 kilowatt for 1 hour. See, 1 hour lo entaithe consumption chestundo, that is called as the electrical energy. We can convert of, see, 1 kilowatt hour is converted into the joules. Now write here the 1 kilowatt hour. See is equal to kilo. Kilo means how much? There is a 1000. And watt is nothing but to say the SI units taken by the same watt into hour. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds are there? The 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. 60 into 60 seconds. Now we can write here the 3 into 3, 1000 into 3600 into watt into second. Watt into second. Now we can write also 36 into 10 power of 5 because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many zeros are there? The 5 zeros. 36 into 10 power of 5. Watt second is nothing but to say the joule. Watt second is nothing but is the joule. 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to how many joules are there here? The 36 into 10 power of 5 joule. Now see here the 1 kilowatt hour is equal to also 1 unit. In your house we are measuring up the electric power in a which is measuring by the units. So 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So what is the 1 unit? In your house the measuring of the electric power in a units. See that is the 1 unit is equal to how much is there here? The 1 kilowatt hour.